is a unique anticipation that builds as you approach Salamanca by bus. As the landscape shifts and the city skyline begins to emerge, you realize you are arriving at one of Spain's most storied destinations, a place carved from golden sandstone that seems to glow under the Iberian sun. Stepping into the Rúa Mayor, the pulse of the city is undeniable. This historic street serves as the main artery of the center, drawing you deeper into the heart of Salamanca, where medieval heritage meets the vibrant rhythm of modern life. We check into the Hotel Alameda Palace, a 5-star sanctuary that perfectly captures the city's elegance. It's more than just a place to stay, it's a refined base from which to explore the architectural splendor that surrounds us. But no visit to Salamanca is complete without indulging in its culinary soul. We stop at a local bakery, followed by a visit to a specialized shop to admire the rows of jamón ibérico and serrano hanging in the window. The aroma of cured meats and fresh baked bread is the true taste of this region. Moving through the center, we find the Casa de las Conchas, the House of Shells. It is one of the city's most unique landmarks. And then the Plaza Mayor. Widely considered the most beautiful square in all of Spain, its grandeur is impossible to overstate. Whether you are people watching or simply admiring the intricate carvings, this square is the social heart of Salamanca, a place where history is made every single day. We continue to the University of Salamanca, one of the oldest in the world. Its facade is legendary, and as you stand before it, you can feel the weight of centuries of scholarship, art, and intellectual discovery that have shaped the course of Western history. To walk through the halls of the University of Salamanca is to walk through the corridors of time. For over 800 years, these walls have echoed with the debates of great thinkers and the pursuit of human knowledge. These lecture halls are not merely rooms, they are monuments to the Renaissance. The worn wooden benches, the ornate ceilings, and the quiet dignity of the space reflect a time when Salamanca was the intellectual light of the Western world. Our journey reaches its peak at the new Cathedral of Salamanca. Its soaring domes and intricate towers command the skyline, acting as the final breathtaking guardian of this golden city. Looking up at these spires, you truly grasp why Salamanca has captured the hearts of poets, scholars, and travelers for ages.